Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your crafting needs. Today, we're diving into the best wool Jeanie yarn holder with magnet, a must-have for any knitting or crocheting enthusiast. If you've ever dealt with tangled yarn, this innovative tool is here to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's take a closer look at what makes this yarn holder stand out from the crowd. The Ziopetru wooden yarn holder is carefully crafted with high-quality natural wood, preserving the clean texture of the material while maintaining a sophisticated and stylish look. This yarn holder is not only practical, but it adds a touch of elegance to your workspace. The semicircular bracket design gives you ample space for yarn balls, preventing any mess from occurring while you work. One of the standout features of this yarn holder is its 360-degree flexible rotation. The top of the spool is attached to the bracket via a strong magnetic connection, allowing it to spin freely as you knit or crochet. This makes it incredibly easy to manage your yarn without worrying about it tangling or getting caught on other projects. Whether you're working with a single yarn ball or several, this feature ensures that everything stays neat and tangle-free. The design also features a sturdy, flat wooden base with 4 anti-slip pads, giving the yarn holder a solid foundation. With a strong magnetic force, the yarn holder can hold spools weighing up to 500 grams, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over, no matter how heavy your yarn ball is. This stability makes the holder a reliable companion for your knitting or crocheting sessions. Setting up the Ziopetru yarn holder is a breeze. It comes with an assembly kit that includes screws and a screwdriver, making it easy to assemble and disassemble as needed. Whether you need to store it away or set it up for another project, this yarn holder ensures convenience at every step. Not only is this yarn holder functional, but it also makes for a fantastic gift for any weaving or textile enthusiast. Its modern design and practical features make it the perfect present for anyone who loves knitting or crocheting. It's a thoughtful and useful gift that will surely be appreciated by those who enjoy working with yarn. In conclusion, the best wool Jeanie yarn holder with magnet is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys knitting or crocheting. Its magnetic 360-degree rotation, sturdy construction, and sleek design make it a standout product in the world of yarn holders. If you're tired of dealing with tangled yarn and want a more efficient, stylish solution, this is the yarn holder you've been waiting for. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more great reviews and product recommendations.